Kashmir is in the grip of extreme cold wave. While this is not new for this time of the year, but Chile Kalan, which everyone knows is the most extreme, harsh 40-day period of winter, is considered to be a period of extreme cold. But this year what's happened is that even before Chile Kalan, we're witnessing cold temperatures that we usually associate with deep winters like January. And this year every night is breaking the minus record of the previous night. If you talk of Srinagar, last night the temperatures plummeted to minus 4.1. And if you move out of Srinagar to other parts of the valley, the situation is even worse as far as cold conditions are concerned. What is further complicating things is the dry cold situation. It's dry cold this year. Last 1.5 months we've seen no rainfall, no snowfall, and that has led to extreme dry cold conditions. And the result is that the AQI levels, now not many people would know that Srinagar registered poor air quality. AQI levels plummeted to 280 to 300, which is like extreme and very poor air quality, and that is due to particulate matter. The dry cold conditions have ensured that the air quality has deteriorated. Now everyone is waiting for a bumper bout of snowfall, because if that happens, that can have an impact on multiple things. It can improve temperatures, which can come to zero, and then also the air quality, because once it rains or snows, the air quality is bound to improve. And then the other angle, the other factor is tourism, because the tourism industry has seen one of its worst years for obvious reasons. We know what has happened in Kashmir over a period of time, and now they are banking on snowfall. They want that there should be early bumper snowfalls, because that would bring tourists to Kashmir, because snow is something that brings tourist footfall. It increases tourist footfall every year, and that is the hope this year as well. But dry cold conditions, and while Srinagar registered minus 4.1, if you talk of the night, you move out of Srinagar and you'll find minus 6, minus 7 in some parts of South Kashmir. Situation even worse as far as Ladakh is concerned, where in some parts, especially in Zojila, temperatures fell to as low as minus 17 degrees Celsius. So that really tells you the intensity of the cold. And if weathermen are to be believed, no snowfall in sight for at least the next 1 week, and it's only after 15 December that there could be some western disturbance entering Kashmir, and some snowfall is expected. So another week of harsh dry cold conditions expected as far as Kashmir is concerned. And we know when it's this cold in Kashmir, the impact, the ripple impact of cold is felt across North India, and that's what the weathermen say. In the coming days, the temperature could fall across North India, and that would also see it will be coupled with foggy conditions. Fog in the morning, fog in the evening, and nights also could see extreme fog, dense low-lying fog across North India. So that's what the IMD has to say. But dry cold conditions in Kashmir, and that is also leading to respiratory issues, respiratory problems as far as old age patients are concerned, and advisories from the doctors that people should take care till these AQI levels are there, till this dry cold persists, because this could lead to serious respiratory issues, especially for people who already have chest issues. Campus and Tariq Lone, Mir Farid, Srinagar, for India Today.